Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.